Disney Dream Stateroom 9022. Here we go. Gotta love these ships. Yay! Here's your... Alright everybody, here we are. Gotta start off with the best first. Always. It's your veranda. Ah. Oh yeah. This is like Serenity Bay right now. Minus whatever noise they're doing over there. Here we are. And there's the bridge up there. So we're near the front of the ship, the forward. We're still in Port Canaveral. So we have our nice little chairs and our little table here. And the windows have tinting on them so it doesn't get bright and too hot in here.
I'll tell them that there's glass.
Oh, we actually have a sofa bed, or we have a bunk bed in here. Faith, we have a bunk bed.
Let the guests know that there's glass on the balcony and it's about 4 feet high.
Yes. Here is the... I know people are terrified of their kids climbing up these, but if you can see me, I'm 5'1", and this is as height. This is the height of the veranda. This is all glass. Every one of these is glass. Your kids are not going to fall over as long as you just don't let them climb in the chairs. That's the main safety feature. So keep them out of the chairs.
Different artwork.
Yes, this is some pretty. Oh, there is an Ariel stamp and an Ursula stamp. So the sofa bed does come out into a bed. You have this nice little kind of ottoman table
Storage.
that opens up to a little storage cabinet. Wave phones for your family to keep in contact on the ship if you're not going to use your cruise app.
Not this time.
No, no kids this trip. Some little hidden Mickeys. The refrigerator that needs to have, oh my gosh, the beer's missing, honey.
We will
beer
have
in
to
there.
put some beer in there.
We have drawers and the wonderful
Big
accommodation of a hair dryer. A lot of outlets up here. Lots of lights in the room. There's some nice little artwork here. You've got your phone to contact guest services or room service or whichever you'd like. You have your USB ports here and your clock, which we always turn the clock down anyway so you don't see it at night. You can get ice in here if you need it. These are great. This holds all your stuff in case it's rough and keeps them from sliding out and falling.
But it's not.
No, you have some glasses here to drink out of if you need them. Some drawers here. Some of the rooms, if they're a little bit bigger, have a chest of drawers here. Right here, and you can put clothes in there as well. We have the bathroom. Some nice little Disney cruise towels. Everyone's favorite little amenities they give you. Your shampoo, conditioner, and this is the best smelling body lotion. I don't even bring my own. And there's some hidden Mickeys on
Drapes, curtains.
Shower curtains in here. And we have our little Ariel telling us to, in English, let's turn it around, because we are not Spanish here. Fortunately, we don't speak Spanish. Be a friend to the earth and oceans. In other words, don't make us wash your towels. Keep them hung up and use them again. And put a big mirror on the door here. And this is where you go to the restroom. So there's private little areas. You got little hand towels with Disney Cruise logo on it there.
I've got some things to hang up.
Yeah, that hangs up towels or clothes or wet bathing suits or whatever you have. And here are some life vests for the room. And that tells us which muster station we go to, which is A. And then we have our safe, which we put our little goodies in, our wallets and jewelry if we're not using them. Tons of hangers. Sometimes I have to take them out if this ship gets too, if the seas get too rough. Yeah, if it gets too much motion, they shake and they do this all night long. There's the little ladder for the bunk bed. We already have the luggage in here. Wow. It's talent, honey. All right, there is a room tour for the Disney Dream Stateroom 9022. Hope everybody has a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.